Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a Defender. We've just recently completed the install on. It's a double DIN conversion. As you can see here, it normally has a single DIN. We've moved all the buttons over to the side here. Other buttons that takes place up here. This unit is a KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wired and wirelessly. We've also put the USB for this in the center armrest, which is a nice accessible area. This unit has also got digital radio, which we are using the original antenna as for FM and DAB with a splitter. It's also got several camera inputs. This particular one has got a really nice camera. It's a 180 view, multi-view camera as well, so you can adjust the different viewing angles. It will go into the rear view camera when you put it into reverse as well, which is a nice feature. On this unit we've also done, if I switch off and then if I switch it back on again, you'll see it comes up with the Land Rover logo as well, startup screen. That's a nice little feature. If you'd like to have this done in your Defender, then please give us a call on 01962 886